Get into the 2024 Toyota Corolla. Take your love of driving with you on every journey in this Corolla. Its sleek styling, premium feel, multimedia tech, and cutting-edge safety features bring comfort and peace of mind, while its powerful performance and aggressive stance energize you at every turn. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, moonroof, backup camera, heated mirrors, premium sound system, satellite radio, power driver's seat, alarm, heated front seat, aluminum wheels. Get the most out of every drive when you take the wheel of the sporty and practical Corolla. Come in for a test drive and let us help you navigate your automotive journey.